Today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It is a 4x4. It's got 27,000 miles on it. Got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. Alright, it's Summit White in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the lock-unlock button on the door handles. Nice roof rack up top. It does have the power heated side mirrors. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. We'll make our way across the rear of the vehicle here. It is a four-wheel drive. It does have the tow hitch and the trailer plug in there. Make our way down the passenger side. And everything looks really good on the exterior of this Jeep. You got a couple of little spots right there where the paint's chipped. Right here on the front bumper. Okay, but other than that, everything is in really good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You got the black on black door panels, nice wood trim piece right here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have the cloth power driver seat. Cloth looks good, no problems there. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. And the passenger seat cloth is in really good shape, no problem there. It is an automatic. Alright, it's got your SD card reader, auxiliary USB and power outlet down there. Dual climate controls. It's going to have your screen display right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Alright, got your push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And it also has your transmission paddle shifters right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 27,541 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your display screen here. All right, your dual climate controls and push button start. You can see that better now. It's all lit up. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. What I'm going to need to do is walk around. I'm going to open up the rest of the doors on here. That black cloth interior is just a little bit hard to see, so we're going to let as much light in there as we can so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, black cloth back here. It looks like it's in really good shape. No problem at all. Back seat's in great shape. The center console that comes down with the cup holders. Let's go ahead and take a look, give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, everything's in good shape back here. Alright, let's take a look back in the rear hatch. You can see the carpet back here is in good shape. Got you a power outlet here. And let's see what we got here. Got your spare tire back here. But now step to the side so you can really see the depth of just how much room you got. A ton of room back there. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the passenger side of the rear back seat back here, just so you can make sure you see what I see. But everything looks really good. No problem with the interior of this Jeep. Well taken care of. 27,000 miles on it. Passenger seat's in great shape. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. You can see how deep the tread is on them. Okay, once again, it's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4, 27,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner, man. This thing's well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.